Hello, dear learners. We are pleased to extend a cordial invitation to participate in our forthcoming training program on the 7 quality control tools. This training program is designed to equip participants with both knowledge and application of the following tools. Check sheets for effective data collection and organization. Histograms to visualize frequency distributions. Flowchart for showing sequence of steps and decisions involved. Stratification to separate and analyze data from multiple sources. Pareto chart to identify and prioritize key problem areas. Ishikawa or Fishbone diagram for root cause analysis. Control charts to assess process stability and control. We encourage early registration as seats are limited. This program will benefit professionals involved in quality management, operations, manufacturing, and process excellence. Don't forget to like, share, and tag someone who might benefit from this valuable opportunity.